Let's take a look into aldehyde. Aldehyde is an organic compound that contains the carbonyl group bonded to at least one hydrogen atom. If at least one of these substituents is hydrogen, the compound is an aldehyde. Aldehydes have pleasant odors, and in principle, they are derived from alcohols by dehydrogenation, removal of hydrogen. Let's look at aldehyde structure. These are some examples from aliphatic aldehydes. While these are examples of aromatic and unsaturated aldehydes. How does aldehyde being used in commercial industries? Formaldehyde is generally handled in water and is called as formalin. It is used for tanning, preserving, and also germicide for plants and veggies. Bakelite is used to produce plastics, coating and also adhesives too. As for urea, formaldehyde is used to produce thermosetting synthetic resin as well as adhesives, coating and more. Glutaraldehyde is an aldehyde that used as cold sterilization of medical equipment. It is also used as preservatives, biocid and hardener that could prevent bacteria and fungi from working.
Aldehyde also act as a flavoring agent like vanillin for vanilla flavor and cinnamaldehyde for cinnamon flavor. Now, how does aldehyde being used in living system? Aldehydes are carbonyl compounds that are abundant in the environment and can be formed from both natural and anthropogenic sources. Aldehydes are reactive species, therefore, they are generally toxic to the body. In energy metabolism, aldehydes fasten the metabolism rates of glycolysis, citric acid cycle, and fatty acid oxidation. In carbohydrate metabolism, aldehydes participate in reactions of conversion of glucose to gluconic acid, involves in regulation of blood sugar level. Aldehyde can also act as antibacterial properties that can be used as disinfectant and preservatives that will inhibit the bacterial growth by cross-linking of proteins and nucleic acids. Moreover, aldehyde are also precursors for synthesizing ribose, the sugar component in nucleotide, and the process would be called as nucleotide biosynthesis. Aldehydes, such as retinol, is a crucial componental of rhodopsin, a light-sensitive pigment in the eye. When it absorbs light, it undergoes a conformational change, triggering a cascade of signals that ultimately leads to vision. Let's take a look on detoxification of aldehyde in human body. Human body contains aldehyde metabolism enzyme to reduce toxicity and pathogenesis related to aldehyde. These enzymes maintain a low level of aldehydes in the body by catalytically converting them into less harmful and easily excreted products. This process is involved in the NAD+, dependent oxidation of a wide range of exogenous and endogenous aldehydes to their corresponding carboxylic acids. Now, take a look on toxicity of aldehyde. Reactive aldehydes are toxic chemicals that form DNA and protein adducts. Within the environment, many sources of aldehydes exist. Aldehyde can be inhaled or consumed when smoking tobacco, cigarettes, or drinking alcohol. Endogenous sources of aldehyde production resulting from lipid peroxidation during cellular stress. Reactive aldehydes can impair cellular functions and exacerbate organ injury, acute pain, and inflammation. Frequent aldehyde exposure has also been linked to human disease pathology, including cancers and cardiovascular disease. To combat aldehyde toxicity, the body metabolizes aldehydes by the enzyme aldehyde dehydrogenase 2, ALDH2, to less toxic acids. The ALDH2*2 variant is identified by facial flushing, tachycardia, and acetaldehyde accumulation after alcohol consumption, and a result of a single base pair change in ALDH2. Those with an ALDH2*2 genetic variant are more susceptible to aldehyde toxicity. To close up, aldehyde is a class of organic compounds that contain a carbonyl group, C=O, C functional group, in which the carbon atom is bonded to at least one hydrogen atom. Many have characteristic odors. The combination of aldehydes, example, formaldehyde, with other molecules results in several familiar plastics. Many aldehydes are large-scale industrial materials, useful as solvents, monomers, perfume ingredients, and intermediates.